Enterprises and service providers are craving for cloud-like experience for their on-prem data centers. One of the main bottlenecks to realizing the cloud experience in on-prem world is the network. In public clouds, the whole infrastructure is provided as a service to the users, including the network. To enable this as-a-service experience in networking, public clouds invented the logical construct of a virtual private cloud, or commonly known as VPC or VNets. VPCs enable self-service networking by decoupling network representation from underlying hardware infrastructure. There are many benefits we get from having a logical construct of a virtual private cloud. First of all, VPCs are never impacted by any underlying infrastructure change management, such as adding removing switches or servers. On top of this, because of VPCs, we get to experience a fully multi-tenant architecture with per-user management and access controls. Another key benefit of VPCs is now we get to define security policies centrally and enforce it across the infrastructure based on workload placement. Wouldn't it be great if all these VPC capabilities available for your on-prem infrastructure? Private clouds are built with a variety of cloud platforms, such as VMware, Nutanix, Kubernetes to name a few. Since the underlying networking infrastructure that is responsible for gluing all these cloud platforms is complex to manage and not offered as a service, how do we truly deliver a cloud-like as-a-service networking experience? This is what Big Cloud Fabric enables by bringing VPCs on-prem in the form of Enterprise VPCs. Tight cloud platform integrations allow Enterprise VPCs to bring in all the VPC benefits to the on-prem world. Let's take a look at how Enterprise VPCs come into life with tighter integrations with various private cloud platforms. Let's take VMware for example. If you have a VMware environment, you will get to offer the entire network as an on-demand service with a couple of clicks. All you need to do is point the vCenter server at the BCF controller by providing IP address and login information, and then you get to create VPCs for the VMware cluster. All the traditional VLANs in the vCenter will get mapped to network segments inside this VPC. You can create security policies and have them apply to the entire VPC. You can connect this VPC to the outside world using BGP or OSPF. Imagine being able to provide network login access or self-diagnosis capabilities to your counterpart teams. This is something you were never able to do before with traditional networking. With Enterprise VPCs, now you can give access to your VMware admins and let them use the VPC. You will have peace of mind knowing that VMware admins are limited to performing activities within their own VPC. If you want to perform quick troubleshooting, you can do that with a couple of clicks using a source VM and the destination. Logical trace will tell you exactly whether the packet would get forwarded or whether it would get dropped due to any security policies. You can drill down to this VMware VPC and take a look at contextual information related to your VMware cluster. You will see in-depth visibility into your VMware deployments, which you never had before. If you are running VMware NSX, Enterprise VPCs greatly simplifies underlay provisioning and provide a whole lot more contextual visibility and analytics capabilities into the logical switch layer. If you have vSAN, connectivity for vSAN-enabled clusters is automatically taken care as well. Also, if you are running any other private cloud platforms such as Nutanix AHV or Kubernetes, Enterprise VPCs enable you to have similar capabilities to those platforms as well. For example, you can zoom into Nutanix AHV environments and see how exactly the HCI networking is laid out. You will get contextual visibility into all your Nutanix clusters. The same applies to Kubernetes as well. As a networking admin, not only you get to provide automated connectivity to the Kubernetes clusters, you will get to see in-depth visibility information about all the microservices that are running on those clusters. As you can see, with Enterprise VPCs, you get on-demand as-a-service networking experience while decoupling from the underlying infrastructure. Thanks for watching.